Hello, I am Alok Betab. Welcome again to my channel School Problem Solutions. Yesterday, the Cbse has declared its class 10th and 12th results, and today, most of the schools and teachers are busy in calculating the QPIs, that is Quality Performance Index, in respect of the schools. So, therefore, I am making this small video for the ready reference and help of those teachers, those who are engaged or busy in this job. For the purpose of calculating QPI, it's very simple. If you are going to calculate the QPI in a particular subject, take the sum total of all the marks secured by all the students in a particular subject and divide it with the number of students appeared in that subject. It would give you the figure of QPI for that subject. In case you want to calculate the overall QPI of all the subjects, so what you have to do, take the sum total of all the marks in all the subjects secured by the students and divide it with the number of students appeared and with the number of subjects. It would give you the figure of overall QPI of your school. As we all know that in class 10th and 12th, it is a little difference with regard to the pass criteria. That is, a student in class 10th need not to qualify theory and practical exams separately, whereas in class 12th, they need to. Therefore, when you are calculating the QPI, also consider the marks secured by the students, those who are failing in any subject. In other words, the marks obtained by the failing students in different subjects shall also be considered and added in the overall marks for the purpose of calculating QPI. In class 10th, you see, in many schools there are 5 subjects. In many schools there is one additional subject, and even there is 7 subjects in some schools. I'll give you the example with regard to the 6 subjects and how to calculate the QPI. English, that is language 1, is mandatory, and therefore we cannot ignore the marks actually secured by a student in English. So therefore English subject marks have to be calculated, have to be considered, have to be added. Now thereafter we are left with 4 other subjects, including 1 language and 1 additional subject. In the schools where there are 6 subjects, in those schools, English marks have to be considered, number 1. And out of the remaining 5 subjects, you can take the best 4 subjects marks to calculate the QPI. It means English plus best 4 subjects marks out of the remaining 5. Accordingly, you can make and calculate your QPI, and it would certainly improve your QPI. So if the board result has given RT, means retest, in one optional subject, a child is not required to appear. He may or he may not appear. But if the RT is in any main subject, she will have to appear. And if the child is failing in 3 or in more than 3 subjects, the result will be declared as fail, and he or she will have to appear in all the subjects once again. So this was a small presentation for the ready reference and convenience of all the teachers and the educators. I am sure you must have understood it. All the very best. Thank you very much.